Get ready, start. Leave granted, stop. This civil appeal is filed by the appellant, that is the Commissioner of Income Tax within bracket exemptions, Kolkata, aggrieved by the order dated 18/9/2017 passed by the High Court of Calcutta in Jagannath Gupta Family Trust versus CIT. Stop para. The respondent herein, Messrs. Jagannath Gupta Family Trust, is a registered trust under Section 12AA of the Income Tax Act, 1961 and also approved under Section 80G within bracket 5 within bracket 6 of the Act. Wide proceedings dated 16/8/2010. Stop. The trust was created with an award object of public and charitable purposes, namely, medical relief, education, any other causes of public utility, etc. Stop. It is stated that the respondent trust is running an engineering college. Stop. A survey was conducted under Section 133A of the Act, in the premises of School of Human Genetics and Population Health within bracket SHGPH, Kolkata by the Investigation Wing on 27/1/2014. Stop. It appears, during the said survey, the appellant has noticed a donation entry of rupees 37 lakh in two tranches in the months of February and March 2013. Stop. It is the allegation of the appellant that such donation given to the respondent trust is bogus and sham. Stop. It is the case of the appellant that the donor did not actually donate such amount, such entry was shown by receiving the amount in cash from the respondent, by retaining commission. Stop para. In view of such allegation, the appellant herein has initiated the proceedings for cancellation of registration and issued a show cause notice to the respondent on 4/12/2015. Stop. The respondent has replied to the same and contested the proceedings. Stop. The main plank of the defense was that the procedure adopted by the appellant was contrary to the principles of natural justice. Stop. It was also the case of the respondent, that though a statement of the representative of the donor was recorded and on the said basis proceedings were initiated for cancellation of registration, but the respondent was not given any opportunity to cross-examine such representative. Stop. After receipt of the explanation to show cause notice, alleging that the activities of the respondent trust are neither genuine nor as per the objects of the trust, further alleging that the transaction in question was only a money laundering, therefore, receipt of donation in lieu of cash was never the object of the trust and as such it is to be treated as ingenuine and illegal activity. Stop. It is also held that such activities are carried out by the respondent assessee not only in 1 year but in several years. Stop para. Keeping in view the above, provision of Section 12AA within bracket 3 is invoked and registration granted under Section 12AA is withdrawn cancelled with effect from 1/4/2008 from the starting of financial year, when the society was found to be involved in money laundering through receipt of bogus donation, ingenuine activities and not carrying out activities as per object of the trust. Stop para. On the other hand, it is contended by the learned senior counsel for the respondent assessee that merely based on the survey conducted in the office of the donor, proceedings are initiated for cancellation on the respondent assessee but nothing adverse was found during such survey. Stop. It is submitted, based on the ex parte statement of the representative of the donor, proceedings were initiated and order cancelling the registration was passed. Oh, stop over.